What's up, y'all? So I knew we've been kind of MIA, but we've been trying to get some things together. But we are back, and it is 6 a.m. I just got off work, and I'm actually going to get my hair done. And as you can tell from this title, I am getting locks. I'm so excited. My mom-in-law is actually the one who's going to do them for me. And I'm so stoked, y'all, because I've been wanting locks. Sorry. I'm trying to contemplate if I'm about to change my clothes. But I've been contemplating locks for a long time. And I tried them out, with faux locks and all that stuff. And I just really love them. I'm really looking forward to kind of like a low maintenance hairstyle. Like, I know obviously it's a misconception that you get locks and you don't have to do anything to your hair. Psych. If you want healthy, clean hair, you still have to wash your hair, take care of it, all that nine. But it's not as stressful as having loose curly hair. I have a lot of hair. We already know that. We talk about it all the time. Look, y'all, it's about to get real right now. I'm about to take this wig off because one is hurting my head. Ooh, this is a cute wig, huh? Everybody thinks it's my real hair. I'm about to take this wig cap off. This is what my hair is looking like right now. It's in these crazy twists, and it's pinned down to my head. But I'm so over the loose natural curly hair. And locks, they're not forever. If I wanted to one day, I can comb them out, but I really don't see myself doing that. I'm really on a new journey in life. I'm turning 26 this year. I just got a lot in my head that I know I want to change, for is my health, my lifestyle, how I'm living, just a whole bunch of things. And so my lock journey is something that's, like I said, been on my mind. And I'm looking forward to it, y'all. I'm excited. My head is hella itchy. I'm so ready to get my hair washed by my mom-in-law. It's not even funny. Hopefully my hair is nice and still combed out. It should be. When I get there, I'll take these out one by one, and just to make sure they're combed, because I know people do not like detangling my hair. I have a lot of hair. I don't like detangling my hair. That's another thing. I'm about to take this shirt off, y'all. I gotta get going because I'm going to LA. And so I made it to LA. I stopped at Starbucks to get some Earl Grey tea with some little agave syrups. I look so crazy right now. But when do I not, honestly? But I'm about to comb out to the back of my hair. I came prepared, y'all. Got my spray bottle and my comb. Where is it? I'm in the back of the barber shop, and it's a little sketchy right here, so I just want to pay attention to my surroundings. But anywho, I'm excited to get my hair done. I'm starting my locks with, oh my god, my scalp is bad. Oh. Anyways, I'm starting my my locks with comb coils. My ends are bad too. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how long my hair is. My ends are really bad, so who knows how long my hair is gonna actually be once she washes it and stuff. We'll see how long it actually is gonna be, because I haven't really been getting my ends cut or anything like that. So I'm just gonna make sure it's detangled for her, because I know what a pain it is to detangle my hair. So I'm gonna just make sure it's all good. Oh, so when she gets here, she's just gonna wash it and do all that good stuff. I washed it like a week and a half ago, and then I just twisted it up and like been wearing my wig or whatever. But I did a quick wash that day because I pre-pooed my hair and left it like that. And then it was time for me to go to work soon, and I was like, oh my god, I still have conditioner all up in my head, so I had to wash my hair real quick and all that stuff. And that's why I put them in these like 6 big twists. I would normally do like 12 small ones or medium sized ones, I guess. Oh, my head is itching. Oh, my head is itching. My head is itching bad. I'm gonna just twist it back up after I comb it out.
Wow, your face, really?
Yes, he's obsessed.
Well, obsessed. Like, now you have to show them to me. Come on, show them to me. You have to show them to me. Let me see.
Yeah.
So it's day 2 from me getting my locks, and this is what they look like. I'm turn to the back. This is what they look like. They're super cute. So it's day 2, and so I wanted to give you guys like an actual reaction like the next day, like, you know how you can get something and it's like, oh, it's cute, and then like the next day I'll be looking at it and be like, I don't know if I really like it. Well, I love them. It is the best decision I think I could have made. Like right now I'm in a definitely different stage in my life. I'm changing a lot of things. I've changed my diet. I started to exercise again, and when it came to my hair, I just wasn't feeling attached to it, and that's important to me. Like, your hair is your root to your spirit, to me, and if we weren't connected, I was feeling a little lost in my soul. So I love my natural hair. I went natural 5 years ago, and when I say I went natural, it meant that I had stopped wearing weaves and I wasn't straightening my hair as much. The last time I had straightened my hair, I hadn't straightened it for I think 8 months, and then when I first went natural, I didn't straighten it for a good, I say, 2 years. And so when I say natural, I've never had a perm in my life, and that's when I say I went natural, that's what I mean, is that I wasn't straightening my hair and I wasn't wearing weaves anymore. And you know, I loved my loose natural curly hair. I took really good care of it, and it wasn't until I had Eryn that I started having some issues. My hair texture changed. My hair got thicker, which I didn't even think was possible because I already have really thick hair, but it had got thicker, and it was kind of hard for me to manage, you know, with the 2 kids and taking care of Eryn's hair, which is like my main focus on growing her hair, keeping her hair done. So then when it came to me working graveyard shift, like that was just becoming too much to handle, and I wasn't feeling happy with my hair. I always want to take care of my hair. My mom has always taught me to take care of my hair, and I wasn't taking care of it like I should have been. And this I've been wanting to do for a long time. I actually have gotten like faux locks or whatever like that, and I was like, wow, I really like this look, you know. I would try it. I want to try it out, but I never did. I was kind of scared. And then so happens that my mother-in-law, whom has a locks herself, is a loctician, and finally I was just like, you know what, I'm ready to do it. Jay was like, you know what, I think you're gonna look great with them and all that stuff. And so I finally was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it. And I did, and I'm super happy. It is different now. I'm not saying that I don't like it. It's just different because I'm used to having like my big, you know, curls, and so this kind of just like really tamed down for me. I feel like I look really like I look really young. I look like a little girl to me. Like I look like how, you know, I looked when I was, you know, a child or whatever. And so it's different for me. I'm gonna have to find my sexy. I already decided that I'm gonna start wearing big earrings. I had stopped wearing big earrings. I don't know, like, oh, well, I mainly stopped wearing big earrings because the kids were babies and they used to like yank my earrings out. But now, you know, they're older, they're not doing that no more. And so I was like, to get through like this like short period of my starter locks, I'm like, I'm definitely wearing big earrings again and start back wearing big earrings. And so that's how I'm gonna jazz it up. But other than that, like, I have no problem. I love them. I love them so much. And what she did comb coils, as you can see. And my hair is really curly. So she was saying like my ends are probably going to be the hardest to lock. And she's had locks a long time. I think I can't remember what she told me. I had to ask, and I'll insert it in my video. But and she said that some of her ends are still like curly and stuff like that. But this is day 2. They still look nice and neat. And she did use gel and pause before anyone like comes for me. She's a loctician. She's been doing dreads for a very long time, maintaining dreads, has lots of clients. Like, we're okay. We're gonna use the gel, okay? And if we see that it's not working, or you know, I'm getting buildup or something, she has other options. So we're okay. It's okay. We're all right. You don't have to tell us. So yeah. What else was I gonna say? Oh, my scalp. Oh my gosh. When I went to her, my scalp had gotten really bad. I had it under control for a good year. And like I said, I haven't been taking care of my hair like I should have been. So I had to take pause. But my scalp was really bad, to the point where like she was like kind of scratching up. And my scalp, like when she was touching my head, was so sensitive. But she washed it with I think it's Talia Wajad. I think that's how you say it. I'm going to insert it right here. I think it's like peppermint and tea tree oil or something like that. Oh my God, it felt so amazing. And that is what I'm going to be using to wash my hair, because, I mean, my hair was so clean afterwards. My scalp is still going to need work. She's going to work on it. She's the one who got it right last time. But, like, this is, look at my scalp. And this is how my scalp has always been. So I know for a fact it's gonna struggle a little bit, but she got it under control last time, and I just have to do what she says, the peppermint oil and stuff like that. I have to make sure I keep that regimen up. But I'm not gonna do a retwist until 6 weeks. I don't know. That's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. Because like I said, my scalp is just like outrageous. But It's okay. We're gonna make it there. And she's gonna be pretty much retwisting my hair until it actually does lock. And then once it locks, you know, I'll go to her sometimes to retwist it. But the main person that will be retwisting my hair is actually my husband. Those that don't know, Jared has been a barber for over 11 years, and in that he also has learned from his mother how to retwist dreads, because she has them, and he would retwist her hair, and she just wanted him to have that extra skill, so he knows how to do it, and so he'll be retwisting his wife's hair. And so I'm excited about that, because Jared has never done anything to my hair, so it'll be pretty funny to just sit there and have him doing my hair. So, but yeah, other than that, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say for this very first 2 days of my lock journey. I'll be definitely updating and documenting my journey. So I keep looking at myself like, wow, like I really did it, and I'm excited. My hair obviously shrunk up a lot. Like my hair is pretty much like down here, and it shrunk up a lot, and I don't care. Like I know some people get bothered by the shrinkage. I don't care. I'm gonna enjoy every single part of this journey, and I'm excited. I'm excited for it. It's a new me. And yeah, so if you guys like this video and want to continue to be with me on my journey, you know, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And I'm also going to be documenting it on my Instagram, which is ShayWhat, and with the underscore, and so you can be there, or on our family channel, the Jones Clan, at the Jones Clan Daily. And give this video a big thumbs up and let me know if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.